Full Automatic Drilling Machine On-Site Application Demonstration Episode 1. Hello everyone, today we will make a 3-headed aluminum step drilling machine. All of them are industrial aluminum materials made of diamonds. What do you want to drill for? We need to drill a step hole. This is a large hole and there is a small hole inside, which is the size of the step hole. The length of the entire machine is 2.4 meters, effectively forming a length of up to 2.1 meters. The maximum distance between our first hole and the third hole is 2 meters. So we equipped 3 1000-watt power heads. This drill bit was also ordered for the customer based on their requirements. We have made a quick device between these 3 heads that can adjust the spacing. I pull it out and move it. After adjusting it to the position, we have a ruler pointer behind it, pointing to the distance we need. Then let's press it down. It's like the lock is dead. At this point, I need materials with different thicknesses, depths, and shallows. Let's choose the second one now, which is the state of knife calibration. What does spoon knife mean? The depth of the borehole can be adjusted.